Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna take a look at this kind of older writing or drawing pad that connects to your computer or the pen input that you see on your Windows 10 especially, and we'll see how it performs and does it still work with Windows 10 in 2020. Okay, and it comes with this mini USB, if the camera can see it right here. And it's, what do you call active powered? What that means is that when you connect it to your computer, it doesn't need any external power. And it has buttons for various options. I'm not a master on using these devices, so I'm just going to review it and say what I see, not what I should probably be seeing. And the name of it is, as you see right here on the back, model H610PRO V2. It's called Creative Pen Tablet, uh, made by HUION. And you connect the USB, first of all, in the device itself on the side. And you put the other side on your computer. And as we see, the computer is setting up the device already, which it should recognize it, and device is ready, it says now. As we see, we can move the mouse with this device, if you see it on the screen. And let's do a selection. As you see, we can select on the screen. What else can you do with this one? You can place it on top of your laptop. And if you're a good drawing person, I don't know what to call that, the designer or whatever you need it for, and you use the pen as a mouse, and you go to the bottom here. You have the full screen snip or whiteboard. For now, I'm just gonna go to paint. I really, because I don't know how to work with this that good, so I'm not gonna act like I do, and I'm not gonna act like I know what I'm doing. Uh, how does that calibrate? Looks like in this way. We have a pen active, and let's try to write something. Yeah, that's not going to work. And to erase, you click the button that's on the pen itself. And you go in, and as you see, that is an eraser right here. The other side, it puts it back to writing. And let's say we want to type Omni. It is the worst you ever probably seen. But I'm not good at this stuff, so Omni. Okay. And so on and so forth. There are guys that know how to draw with this stuff, and there is other software that are made for drawing, which I don't have any. But what I see this being good for is to even use it instead of a mouse. It works for applications that you might need. Who is this device for? I would say designers that are, or at least that are just starting in design, but don't have a big budget to buy the $300-400 draw pads or ink pads, what they call them now. This is a good starter one. It's older. It's been a few years that this has been out. I think 7 years probably at least, but it works if you know how to use it. The quality is really good. The pad itself is built good, not with a cheap material that you would say, it lacks quality on the plastic itself. The pen is built really nice, actually. I really like it. And it has some kind of feel to it. So when you're drawing, it detects the hand, if it's heavy or light, to make lines thicker or thinner, depending on your desire and draw or design you're going for. And or for guys that are doing explanatory stuff, for example, let's say Let's get back to the computer. Let's say I'm right here on this screen, and I want to draw on this screen. Full screen snip right here, and let's put it on full screen here too, as you see. And let's say I'm explaining something like almost as a whiteboard. Let me put this on. It is a red pen, looks like already. And I want to tell you, oh, here is OBS Studio. Here is Microsoft, whatever, Edge, which nobody ever uses anymore. Here is the recycle bin, and here's a person swimming. So you can use for this kind of application explaining stuff and where for example, where is OBS open right now, and we make an arrow there, and we put OBS. As you see, it has uses in real world if you know what you're doing. Obviously, if you're like me that really have never used one of these in his life, yeah, may not be the best choice for you. Here in different apps, you can zoom in, zoom out. You can make the line thicker, make the line thinner. You can erase back to pen. You can undo what you just did here, and you can put it back to hand so you can just grab stuff instead of typing. And I think it's a beautiful device for a starter, for somebody who's just beginning on drawing or explaining, or just you want it for home as a side if you have an expensive one already. And it works, by the way, with Android as well, at least that I tried. I don't have any Apple product right here on me today to test on it, but I know in Android and most of the drawing apps on Android, it works. So if you have an Android tablet and you want to draw stuff on it on the go or whatever, you can use this tablet as well. And I guess with that said, I'll see you on the next one. If you want to like and subscribe, go ahead and do so. I would truly appreciate that. But in any case, if you don't want to like and subscribe, I thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time. Bye!